Kind of pure infrastructure is the skill sets that you put in place to manage all of this. How do you go about acquiring talent? Because this isn't always the easiest of things.
Yeah.
And attrition can be a fair issue. I know it's an issue for most CIOs here.
Yes. That was the biggest challenge. Everybody used to ask me this question till about 2 years back. Uh, our attrition rates are next to nil, I would say, next to nil, except those that are attrition done by us. Um, the, the reason for that is, of course, we are in an exciting industry. High growth gives a lot of opportunities for people. But we developed over years. We developed a science, I would say, of a number of measures that we have taken to ensure that all the objectives or the ambitions of a young engineer or young engineers are fulfilled. For example, we pick them very young. We have a training academy. We put them through a 4-month rigorous training program, which involves most of the processes, standardized processes, training, practical training on them. And then once they are on board, we give them a career plan, which goes up to 16 levels. This is all below the service delivery head position. 16 levels with around 4 different horizontal streams, whether it is the pure technical people who are interested in only doing technology-related work, going them all the way to a subject matter expert in their chosen field, or towards program management or a solution architecting, or on the service delivery pyramid. Then we have made training a part of their KRA, undergoing regular training. In their roster, the training day is also given, and the contents are being delivered, which keeps them fresh, keeps them a learning kind of an organization.
So this is a mandated training.
It's a mandated training. It's a part of the. We've seen that the younger ones, especially the first 5 years, it's better to put them in a mandated training, which they started liking. Of course, now there is a demand for training in the weekends as well. And then there is the total ownership philosophy somehow made them really proud of the work that they do, because it is no more uncomfortable situations in front of the clients. They get to do whatever it takes to make a client happy, and so it keeps them, despite a strenuous job, it keeps them, keep their head high on what they do, and makes their day fun, I would say.